Hello, hello. Okay guys, welcome sa ating day 2. Game 2 para sa ating final games. So we have Kahilo, CRC. So we have CRC Kahilo and Kabataan team para sa ating mini midget division na game 2. So pangalawang araw ng ating final games mga idol. So ayan sa fans ng ating Kabataan and Kahilo teams, share muna ng ating live. And ang ating officiating referees, we have John Ray De La Cruz, Dondon Tesorero, John Ray De La Cruz. And we have our referee from Batan Aklan, ang ating BAP referee Makato chapter. And this live is brought to you by our sponsors from United Kingdom. Special thanks kay Ma'am Rose Gadong and kay Ma'am Aloha Tukul from Poland. So yan ang ating dalawang sponsors ng ating live. And then, welcome natin ang first viewers natin. Ayan, shout out kay Idol Bongbong. Thank you very much, sir. Welcome. And always first on the screen si Sir Bongbong. So thank you very much, good Idol, sa support. And welcome sa ating game 2 of our final between Kahilo and Kabataan mini midget division. And good luck sa ating dalawang teams. And welcome din natin si Mama Roselyn Punsalan. And we have 5 minutes 27 seconds remaining time. And deadlock to ang ating official score for the first quarter. And okay, good for 2 by Tugna. And 5 minutes 12 seconds remaining time. 18 on the shot clock. And same ball, last touch by Kabataan. And so welcome natin ang ating 17 viewers na nakatutok sa ating live. Welcome. And pa-share muna ng ating live. And jersey number 18, wala. Okay, and there's a whistle. And a foul jersey number 9. And a bonus shot from the jersey number 18. And May Joy Bilurente of Barangay Kahilo. Shout out ma'am and welcome. And first time by jersey number 18, wala. And 4 minutes 55 seconds remaining time. And we would like to congratulate lang ang ating LGU Makato, headed by our municipal mayor Ramon Anselmo Martin Diligaspi III. So ayan, sa pagbubukas ng ating bagong renovate na front ng ating Makato Municipal Hall. So ayan, at parang umabot talaga para sa ating Santo Niño Ati-Atian na festival. So napakaganda ng ating Makato Town Hall. And yan, welcome din natin si Mama Nini Pipito from Hong Kong. Welcome ma'am. And Roselyn Erabon Punsalan. Shout out sa akong hunga, jersey Punsalan. Okay Mama Roselyn imot agaling hunga rayang ara ma'am. Taghara-haraya mauho. And Ma'am Chay Chay, welcome. And ang ating mga OFWs na nakatutok sa ating live, maraming salamat. And special thanks again kay Ma'am Rose Gadong, ang ating live sponsor, and kay Ma'am Aloha Tukul. And Raymar Mabenta, welcome. And Christian Milanio Shout out Kent RJ Pukod Players It Kabatanga. Okay, idol. From Christian Milanio. And 4 minutes 33 remaining time. 3/5. A 2-point lead by Kabatanga. And then welcome natin si Mama Rose Gadong from watching from United Kingdom. And a good for 2 by jersey number 18. And deadlock 5 official score. And Leo Cheng Cadiz. Shout out idol. And Christian Milanio. Shout out din Brang Kapnaw. Okay, idol. Idol ba shout out si Bungbong Kasidsid from Rainer Mabenta. And 3 minutes 45 remaining time. And Punsalan. Tumira. And wala. Follow up by Ulid. Wala rin. And there's a whistle. And 2 minutes 29, deadlock 5 official score. And share muna ng ating live. And ayan ang ating live mga idol ay i-upload natin yan sa ating YouTube channel. So sa aking mga followers, paki-subscribe naman po ang aking YouTube channel. So hindi muna ako magla-live doon sa ating YouTube channel dahil mas marami ang hindi pa nakakaalam. So kagagawa lang muna kasi. Kagagawa lang kaninang umaga. And Margie Solano Francisco, hello po idol, pa-shout out watching in Lebanon. Ayan kay Mama Margie Solano Francisco from Lebanon. Welcome ma'am and maraming salamat sa pagtutok sa ating live. And Joseph Yakon, shout out. Ay hindi, Jakon. And shout out daw kay Joseph Yakon. So thank you very much idol. And so ayan, maraming salamat sa ating sponsors ng ating live. Kay Ma'am Rose Gadong and kay Ma'am Aloha Tukol. Thank you very much kids sa atong daywang ka-sponsors ngayon atong live. Back to the ball game. And shout out kay referee Dung Tugna sa bilog man sa membership atong BAP Aklan referee Sander sa foul. Basket count. Red jersey, foul jersey number 8. And jersey number 18 on the free throw line. 3 minutes, 7 seconds remaining time. 9/7 official score. And first try, wala. And Tugna for 2 by Tugna, jersey number 8. 2 minutes 44 remaining time. Deadlock 9. Second deadlock for the first quarter. Third deadlock for the first quarter. And nakagaw na naman ni Punsalan. Tumira. And for 2 by Punsalan. Nagatumbo-tumbo. Gila siguro si Mama nakashoot anang nga. And Christian Milanio pa shout out kay Homer Perod. Ginapamantaw anang gumankon sa Team Kabatanga from Christian Milanio. And Lester Charles, pa-shout out po idol, watching from Brilliance of the Seas in New York Orleans. Good luck CRC from Lester Charles. And we have jersey number 18 again on the patrol line. And first try in. And 2 minutes 22 remaining time. 10/11 ating official score in a 1-point lead by Kabatanga. And Idol Rodel Topic, shout out. And Michael Gayana. Midget Division na masunod. Libang versus Bye-Bye. And tour 2 by jersey number. Hindi ko makita yung number ng ating mga players. And Leo Cheng Cadiz. And dapat shoutout gali kay Jason from Idol Leo Cadiz. And Dudong Villanueva, sir, welcome. And another foul and jersey number 4 on the free throw line. And Christian Milanio. And first try, wala. Shout out to Merpohod nga ginapamantaw na anang gumankon sa Team Kabataan. Roselyn Irapunsalan, Gloria Labandera, shout out. Ayan, shout out dyan sa atong Gloria Labandera. And official score, 11/13. 2-point lead by Kabataan. And this is the second game para sa ating final between Kabatanga and CRC Kahilo. And Sunny Aguined, shout out from Ma'am Roselyn Erabon Punsalan. And we have a jersey number 9 on the free throw line. And first try, wala, hindi umabot. And 1 minute 48 remaining time for the first quarter. And special thanks gigali sa akong idol nga teacher kay Sir JR Tributo Traquinia, raton nga commentator. So salamat kita katabo kay Sir JR dahil medyo nagbawas-bawas ra akon nga gaoy sa pag live. Thank you very much, good sir, from Ramon Anselmo Legazpi National High School. And we have deadlock 13 official score. 1 minute 22 remaining time. And there's a whistle again. We have Tugna. Foul. And Sara Cipriano. Ayun na nga, ma'am. Deadlock 13 ang ating official score. And sa ating 42 viewers, welcome. And maraming salamat. And sa mga gusto nyo mag-subscribe sa ating YouTube channel, paki-subscribe tayo mga idol para doon mapapanood ang lahat ng games since from the start of our Paliga sa Banwa 2024. So, i-upload natin ang lahat ng ating live video doon sa ating YouTube channel. And sana supportahan nyo ako sa aking YouTube channel. Ang pangalan ng ating YouTube channel ay Valentino's Vlog. So, yung profile natin dyan, we have Pablo and Reyes. So, yun ang aking profile picture sa aking YouTube channel. And malakas. And there's number 9. Wala pa rin. Okay, idol. Valentino's Vlog with S. Valentino, S, and then a space, tapos vlog. Aron idol, dakon nga pangalan. And goal 2 by Tugna. And we have 15/14, 1-point lead by Kabatanga. 30 seconds remaining time. And Russell Quinton. And there's a whistle dribbling violation committed by jersey number 4. Good luck CRC team. Go, go, go Kahilo pa Mama Russell Quinton. So, shoutout doon na kay Mama Russell Quinton sa aton nga Makato Public Market. Una ron yung sa fruit section. And 17 seconds remaining time. And a good for 2 by jersey number 9, Tihada. And 16/15, 1-point lead by Kahilo. And Punsalan. 3 by Punsalan. Wow. Mayad gidara akong idol nga ra. And that was the end of our first quarter. And official score natin sa ating first quarter, Kahilo 16 and Kabatanga 18. 2-point lead by Kabatanga. And Dave Torrenueva, shoutout lang idol kay Shanley Shoko from Dave Torrenueva. Thank you idol Dave sa imong pa-shoutout. And sa mga okay, welcome mo natin si Ma'am Alisel Kasidsid. Nag-shoutout na sa aton nga mga taga munisipyo. Mga staff itaton nga Makato Municipal Hall. Especially gina na kay Ma'am Alicel Kasid-Sid. Ni pangayani man mana Ma'am Lisel, di mo mga kaibahan na para ma-shoutout man naton. And Ma'am Roselyn po irabon po sa lan. And so may kabanero ko ng sagan, shoutout sa among beat player itagakak kaya Lucio Punsalan. Wow. Tagagakak galira akong idol nga ra. Ago nga galimaw ni Ma'am Roselyn. So and Raway na takod irabon, shoutout watching from Ibahayak Clan. And back to the ball game for the second quarter. And welcome din natin si Nal Kawaling Gadong, si Barangay Kagawad, Barangay Kabatanga. Welcome, sir, and happy viewing. And thank you very much, kids, sa pag-share. RJ, ano ron? May, ano ba, pamo. Hindi man ako mabasa, right, maya, day Idol RJ nga rang message. Message mo man idol, ang pakiayos ro imong message. And si may best player namon ni tagaka Lucio Punsalan. And jersey number 8 open. And good for 2. Badlock 18, official score. And a 6 minute 5 seconds remaining time. 19 on the shot clock. 23 on the shot clock. And jersey number 12. And a loose ball, Cahilos ball. Mapanghugas ka idol. Sige, pagpanghugas yun una. Best player namon ni tagakak si Lucio Punsalan. And the whistle, Kabatangas ball. Pinapal out tugas ay nako Idol RJ. Wag mo ako idol pahirapan na umintindi ng iyong message. Make it clear idol na mabasa natin ang maayos. And the whistle. And nakakuha ng foul si jersey number si Taharan. Jersey number 28. And Taharan on the petrol line. And first try in. And 19 over 18 official score. 1 point lead by Kabatangan. And second try wala. 1 out of 2 by Taharan. And 2 by jersey number 27. And 4 minutes 57 seconds remaining time. And yun. And the jump ball, Cahilos ball. And Gabriel Taligatos. Wag na umakyat sa live idol RJ. Stay viewers ka lang. I am not allowed ang ating viewers na pumasok sa ating live. Oh my God. Bagsak si jersey number 21. And Ma'am Jane Takod Taladro and Idol Gabriel Taligato sa Barangay Kahilo. Welcome. 1 point lead by Kahilo. 19 over 20. And 4 minutes 38. 12 on the shot clock. And number 2 by jersey number 8. And the foul, jersey number 8. And same ball. And jersey number 5 on the free throw line. And Leo Ching Cadiz aling masunod hampang idol. We have libang and bye-bye for the second game sa final. James Aricasas Ismeres sa Barangay Kahilo. Shout out Kagawad and welcome. And 1 out of 2 by jersey number 5. And 4 minutes 16 remaining time. And a 2-point lead by Kahilo. And Kabatanga, tumira. And wala. And line violation. Stepping on the line. Kabatanga's ball. And Taharan. Tumira. Short. And Taharan again. Wala. Oh. And 2 minutes 41. 2-point lead by Kahilo. 22/20 and a penalty situation. And Taharan on the free throw line. And first try. Wala. Mahina. And Chanray Taktay, nakita mo atong idol inadol. Masawa gid ay idol, nagagapit ka ko idol at Chanray. Mono nga na mga itsura ka dol, nalipatan ko. And 1 out of 2. Base yata siguro sa dadol sa pihak and a whistle and a foul. Jersey number 8 and a penalty situation. Ikaw idol Chanray pag-adto ko niya ay bakante pa yari mo nga pwesto kakon. And first try wala ni Nipi. Okay, kahapon ko pa to tinitignan masyado ang kanyang apelyido. And 0 out of 2 by Nipi. Jersey number 5. And a dribbling violation by jersey number 5 ay sos ang idol. Kahugod gidang mayad. Rainiel Masula, shout out from Kahilo. And time out ang ating Kabatanga team. And enjoy lang una idol Chanray Taktay. Magbantay kailangan night baraka. Aron gid ang idol kahugod nga pagkaunga. Business minded atong idol pa mga barangay Kahilo. Yan napasalamatan man natin ratong idol kay idol Chanray Taktay sa support. Support lang idol. Support lang ng support muna tayo sa aking mga followers. And congratulations and welcome sa ating new followers. We have almost 14,000 na followers now. So sa mga sa mga new followers na kon, thank you very much kid kinyo tanan sa inyong suporta. Tiwala. So support nga na kita mga idol. Dahil nag-umpisa pa lang kita sa atong career sa pag-vlog. And Mark Humino, 22/21, 1 point lead by Kahilo. And kay Mama Vicky Hilario, welcome. And a jump ball and Kabatangas ball. Ayan, Idol Mark, 21/22, 1 point lead by Kahilo. And the whistle. And the jump ball, Kahilo's ball. And then, pasalamatan din natin si Mama Rose Gadong from United Kingdom. Kasangag. And welcome din natin si Mama Rina Tusyo. And same ball, last touch by Kabatang. Okay, thank you very much again, Idol Mark. Welcome. And Ma'am Rose Gadong, Ma'am, matsa 5 GB lat aron nabilin sa aton nga data makaron nga adlaw. Anong nangyari sa ating load, Ma'am Rose? Ang bilis maubos. And 2 minutes, 2 minutes remaining time. And same ball. And Rolly Dumatico. Good afternoon, man Idol Rolly. Welcome. And 1 minute 35 seconds remaining time. 1 point lead by Kahilo, 21/22. And welcome din natin si Idol Ramel Torre from Barangay Baybay. Good luck sa atong team Idol Ramel para sa ating second game. And shout out man na kay Mama Sheila Laureta, ita Barangay Baybay, City Lawod. And kay Madam Lolin Tortuya, aron si nang Lolin, hadumduman ko na ng pangalan. And si Nanay Merla, shout out man una ka na. And thank you very much man sa support. We have second quarter pa lang, Idol Ramil. Second quarter. And Vicky Hilario, ano do masunod, Gampang Sir Alvin. And we have Libang and bye-bye ma'am para sa midget division. And first try by jersey number 12, wala. And Kahilo's ball. And the traveling violation. 54 seconds remaining time. 22-21. 1 point lead by Kahilo. Ayan kay Mama Vicky Hilario Libang versus Bye-Bye Midget Division. And welcome din natin si Idol Rodel Tapik. And the traveling violation. Wilson Caballero, welcome sir. And happy viewing. 16 seconds remaining time. 21/22. And a good push by jersey number 16. And that was the end of our second quarter. And welcome din natin si Idol Melvin Retulin Pilayo. And official score, Kahilo 24 and Kabatanga 21. Iya kami sa kabilang bangko. Si Idol, mga libang supporters si Rasin Kampi Idol, hindi ko makita. Alsa bering alima agad makita kanakon. No sé ko si Idol Rodel Tapik, iya ko na. Rodel Tapik. Tapik. And back to the ball game. Si Idol Rodel. Hindi ko makita. And 7 Taligatos. Supporters at Libang. I seen baga. Ma'am ni Kaira Tambong Bikodo from Hong Kong. Thank you very much ma'am. And wait lang anay ma'am. May busy pa si Idol. May sangkurot kitang naging problema sa atong sa bilog ng item. So wait lang anay ma'am. And Rosel Tukol watching with you. Wow, gina si Mama Rosel pambarangay Bye-Bye. Sitio Ilawod. Shout out na kaya ng Ma'am Rosel Tukol. And Punsalan. Pastutog na. And wala. And a foul, another tugna. Jersey number 24. Nga ni ma'am, medyo akon nga time ay iyalang gidari karag na pag-abot sa gabi ay agaoy gid. Aga hindi man ako kabugtaw it agahon. So, thank you very much kaya Ma'am ni Kaira Tambong Bikodo pa mga Hong Kong. Sambilog man sa aton nga mabuhat nga supporters. And the same ball. Thank you very much Mama ni Kaira Tambong Bikodo sa pag-intindi. Wait lang ma'am, malapit na. So, kababong event abi ma'am, akon nga cover makaron sa bawat pet site dayang January. So, medyo kwan gid ako nga mayad. Out of mind gid akon nga. And for 2 by Punsalan. And 23/24, 1 point lead by Kahilo. And 4-2 by Punsalan. Ang galing talaga ni Punsalan. Na gwapong pagkaunga. And lamang ng isa ang ating Kabatanga. And Kahilos ball. Ay. And so ayan, lamang ang ating Kabataan mga idol. So share lang tayo dyan, pray tayo na sana makagkaroon ng ating third game para sa best of 3. Sana makalaro pa sila sa best of 3. And a foul from Ulid. And Reniel Masula, a shout out load sa jersey number 9. Kaya Ulid idol, sino ka na pangalan ni Winskipper? And 2 minutes 40 remaining time, 26-25, 1 point lead by Kahilo. So, dikita ng ating laban mga idol. And backing violation. Kahilo's ball. And another 2 points from Kahilo team. 4 minutes 21 remaining time. 28-25 and nagawa ulit ng Kahilo. And there's a whistle and a foul, jersey number 9. Traveling violation. And 2 minutes 6 seconds remaining time. And there's a whistle. And the Kevin Vicente shout out. And the jersey number 18 on the wala. 15 on the shot clock. And good for 2 by Punsalan. Long 2 points. And nakagaw ni Punsalan. And tumira. Wala. Sayang kung malaki-laki lang sana ang bata ito. Magaling. And same ball. 3 minutes 18 remaining time. And 27-28 on the third quarter. 1 point lead by Kahilo. And Mama Lenny Valencia. Shout out Mama and welcome. Watching from Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. And same ball. Last touch by Kabatanga. And a 3 seconds violation. 2 minutes, 5 remaining time. 27-28, 1 point lead by CRC Kahilo. And same ball. Shout out kay Mama Rose Gadong, Madam. Kahuya ako na kay Madam Ngaramag. And the traveling violation committed by jersey number 9. And Aryang Erabon Punsalan Bingko. Good go Alusyo Punsalan. Tito Makmak Martinez sa Bingko. And for 2. Madam Rose. I have 10 a GB left. Paano ba ma'am? Medyo ang bilis maubos ng ating data because of early live natin pagdating ng semi-finals. So tuloy-tuloy kasi ma'am, so medyo napakabilis. And I do not know kung aabot pa ito sa ating second game. Parang hindi na yata. And the same ball, foul, jersey number 8. Ano ba yan? And we have jersey number 18 on the free throw line. Okay ma'am. So, thank you very much kids sa aton nga idol kay Mama Rose Gadong from United Kingdom. So, napakaway talaga ni Mama Rose mga idol. So, sasabihin ko na sa inyo kasi hindi ko na alam kung paano ko pasasalamatan si Mama Rose sa kanyang suporta sa atin mga idol. And a jump ball, same ball. Franz Kiko, Panagsagan, welcome idol. Huwagid idol Chanray, hindi ko hindi mo makita. Ay huwa nga ni. Pag adto niya ni idol, agad may kaistorya kuya sa ako niya kaiping. Magayo, tado ligdo tado kahilo sa piyak. And Shusik Misina Mationg, welcome. And Idol Jan Traiko Taborda, welcome. And 1 minute 32 seconds remaining time on the third quarter. And we have a deadlock 29 ang ating official score. And Julian Mamigo, go Kuya Tantan, jersey number 5. And Kabatangas ball. 8 seconds to shoot. And shot clock violation. Kahilos ball. And a foul by Tugna, jersey number 24. And shout out manuna sa aton nga mga OFWs. So naga-ask gid ako kinyot favor mga idol. And we have the jersey number 8 on the free throw line. And first try, wala. So, sa mga mabuot na panuna nga mga viewers sa aton nga mga OFWs. So, basic kung may naila man ginyo na mag-support. Like Mama Rose Gadong. Kasi si Mama Rose ay ever since na naging followers natin yan ay grabe na yung suporta sa atin ni Ma'am from United Kingdom. And shout out ginakon anang mga brother and sisters like Ma'am Bing Gadong from Taiwan, and we have Resty Gadong from US, and we have Barangay Kagawad Nalkawaling Gadong of Barangay Kabatanga, Makatoklan. And 47 seconds remaining time for the third quarter, and the official score deadlock 29. And Gonzalan, wala. Muntik na. And 35 seconds remaining time. Malakas din. And there's a whistle. Kabatangas ball. And Punsalan. And for 2 by Punsalan. And 31 over 29. 2-point lead by Kabatanga. 10 seconds remaining time. And that was the end of our third quarter. And we have Asrar Sheikh, pa-shout out watching from Saudi Arabia. Ayan, thank you very much Asrar. Sino pangalan?
Carl Benedict.
Apelido?
De La Cruz.
Shout out ko na kay Carl Benedict de la Cruz. Ako nga mga idol nga sa kilid mo, Diyos ko. Mahilig sa shout out. Ikaw man.
Shout out. Ako yung pangalan, Gian Lawrence.
Shout out ko na sa anong pangalan kay Gian Lawrence. Taga sino ikaw?
Taga Wakato. Taga Mantigib.
Taga Mantigib ay Ginoo ko idol. Ako, ikaw pa.
Shout out na idol sa floor.
So okay, pagbigyan lang natin ng mga hunga nga raya sa akong kilid. Agad magkalma yun. So, malipay ito na ng buot nga mabatian sa atong live randang pangalan. Thank you very much, Gid. Sa mga maintok ron ay mga followers man natin magyagko. So, thank you very much, Gid. And welcome natin si Sir Eugenio de la Sena, asawa ni Mama Nerly, ratong mahugod at mabuot nga SB member, ratong Banwang Makato. So, shout out sir and welcome. And Kabatangas ball. 6 minutes 37 seconds para sa ating last in the final quarter, and a 2-point lead by Kabatanga. And ulit Ataharan. Pass to Idol Punsalan. And Aridin La Chica, welcome. And same ball, last touch by Kahilo. And Mario Tabo, welcome. And shout out kay Mama Roselyn Punsalan. Haron mo, nag-cheer gid mo sa nang gwapong arang nga. Star player ito dun nga Kabatanga from Barangay Hagakak. And 6 minutes 22 remaining time. And deadlock 31 again. First deadlock for the last in the final quarter. And Raymond Torimocha championship Undonong. Yes, idol. Best of 3 games in Daimao. Final game. Best of 3. So, second, wala. Sayang. And malakas. And wala ulit. Oh! Good for 2. Ay, sus. Nawala sa focus yung camera natin. And punsalan. Pastulid. Ay, grabe. And number 4. And a basket foul. Grabe. Ayan na kay Idol Raymond Torimocha. Yes, Idol. Championship po na Raymao. Game 2. And 5 minutes 8 seconds the remaining time. And 35/31 in a 4-point lead by Kahilo, CRC. And 36-31, 5-point lead by Kahilo. And Tugna. And good for 2 by Jersey kaya Nipi, Idol Nipi. And Ago de Chavez, shout out Gloriela Bandera from Ma'am Roselyn Gadong. Ay, hindi, Roselyn Punsalan pala, sus Maria Josep. Nagkamali pa ako, Mama Roselyn. Si Mama Rose Manabe ay Roselyn Manimaron. And shout out man Galiona sa aton nga mga ACI alumni. So base may Richel Masulatusyo, go Kapatanga, Melvin Dison, Agudi Chavez, welcome. And Chan Ray Taktay seeing you the 100. Oh my God, ang idol nga ra. Una sa kahan ay Idol Chan Ray, magbuhuga na yun na. And 4-2 by jersey number 4. And 2 minutes 14 remaining time. And same ball. A foul. Jersey number 4. Ayan, thank you very much again kay Mama Rose Gadong. Oh my God, si Lord lang bahala mag bias kay Mama Rose Gadong mga idol. So thank you very much again ma'am sa another load natin. And Rachel Masulatusyo, shout out. Shoot Ivan. About si Idol at Chanray nga raho. And 4-2 by Nipi. And 38-35, 3-point lead by Kahilo. And there's a whistle. And a lifting violation. Kabatangas ball. A dribbling violation. And yes ma'am, nakita ko niya Mama Rose. Nag-notification yun niya si Dito. So, ayan guys, pasalamatan din natin raton nga sponsors. Dito aton nga load kay Mama Rose Gadong. So, kababaho gidro na ibulig ni ma'am sa aton nga live. And, wawan ako ita mahambal kay Mama Rose Gadong. Kundi, isagamat nga abo sa Gadong family. Saan nga ginapakita nga suporta katon. And 3 minutes 41 seconds remaining time. Official score 38-35. And Eugene Bayan Custodio, welcome. And back to the ball game. And Renz Bliss Uod Ulid. Pa-shout out kay Prince Ulid. Ayan. And for 2 by Kahilo's team. And 40/35. Lamang na nga 5 ang ating Kahilo. 3 minutes 12 remaining time. And shout out gali kay Dave Errol Palmon. No, sa inyo na akong idol nga ron. Sa inyo ni Mao. And there's a whistle. And the ball, jersey number 8. And first try by jersey number 18, wala. By Taharang. 2 minutes 39 remaining time. 40/37 ating official score. 3-point lead by Kahilo. And for 3. Another 3 points from Kahilo. And a foul, jersey number 9. Official score 43-37. And we have Ulid from the free throw line. And 2 minutes 20 seconds remaining time. And 1 out of 2 by Ulid. And there's a whistle, a traveling violation. One minute 59 remaining time. And for 2 by jersey number 4. And Ayel Batoy Casimero, shout out and welcome. Judy Gomez, shout out. And 1 minute 53 remaining time. Official score, Kahilo 45 and Kabatanga 39. 6-point lead by Kahilo CRC. And welcome din natin si Idol Max sa Junior Mobo. Daghang ani Idol ing kaping aron. Ay aton tang himno ni sud sa Syro Idol. Nagadagon mo yakakon. And back to the ball game in a 1 minute 53 remaining time. Anay dali yan. Hindi man ako nabation ninyo nga hambay. And same ball. And Jean Tabarnilla, welcome. And 47-39 official score, 1 minute 36 seconds remaining time. Malachi Caligato Sierra. And 1 minute 15 remaining time. Ayan kaya ang Malachi Caligato Sierra. Thank you very much, ma'am, and welcome. And the foul. And for the goal, God bless Idol. Salamat sa pag-live. Kahit sa Manila kami, ingat lagi. Thank you very much again, Idol Max Junior Amogo. And 42 seconds remaining time. 47-39 official score in favor of Kahilo CRC. And Mitch Salem watching from Taiwan. So, 10 na yung lamang ng ating CRC Kahilo. Ang pasapot mo na sa Bora Idol, mga driver is inside. And 21 seconds remaining time. Ang gagaling. Mapagsik from Mitch Salem. And alam na mga idol. 15 seconds remaining time. 10 points lead by Kahilo. Congratulations. Ating Kahilo. Good luck sa ating see you next year lang. Para sa ating mga taga-barangay Kabatanga. So better luck next time. And so ayan, maraming salamat sa ating mga viewers. And sa fans ng ating barangay Kabatanga, see you next year. More more training para sa ating mga players. So deserve man ita Kabatanga ang Kahilo ro makasugod sa final. So parehong mayan. And then napasalamatan gid naton ita abo si Mama Rose Gadong. Pero aton nga ayan, Barangay Kahilo, congratulations. And sa ating sponsors kay Mama Rose Gadong, thank you very much, kid. And kay Ma'am ni Kyra Tambong Ditudo. Better luck next time mga kids, Kabatanga, congratulations. Kahilo. And so ayan, up next ang ating game 2. Ito atong Libang and bye-bye. And maraming salamat and God bless us all everybody. Thank you for watching. Mabuhay to Kahilo. Congratulations. Ato na nga videohan do picture taking aton nga mga taga barangay Kahilo. And welcome ginaton si Idol Uma, si Andrade. Aron ni Mau nag-thumbs up on kako. Congratulations sa Kahilo team. Okay, thank you very much.